Yes, hello? Good morning, Beverly. What is it? Me busy. Me busy in the office. Matter of fact, me have a hangover because yesterday was my birthday. Me tired though. Yeah. Oh, honey line. Me don't really feel fit talk to nobody in Beverly. Oh, what is it? Oh. I come from Ocala, Florida. How old is now? Meghan Mickle, half sister Samantha. Here's what she wants. She's a little troublemaker. She has said all sorts about her sister. Me not like that. All right. She insists on talking to me. All right then. Bloody hell, put her through, man. Let me just trace out her backside and get it over and done with. I'm tired. My laughing no funny. Me tired. Me drink a bottle of champagne, man. Me tired. And then my husband, what they go down there and need a saka me. Me too old for this shit, yeah. Me tired, my body tired. All right, put her through. Oh, what is Pammy Jesus? Hello? Yes, this is Miss Sam. What is it, Samantha? What can I do? If me can call Queen Elizabeth to talk to your sister, if he invite you to the wedding. How about this? Samantha, you can't take advantage of me just because me and Queen Elizabeth are bosom friend. You watch my shares? Me no business about that. Listen, there must be a reason why you not get an invite. You understand? And now you're getting bitter and twisted. And the reason, you know what? Let me cuss out your backside for your sister. Right, because right now she caught up with the wedding details and everything. She are married tomorrow. It's too late to fly you out anyway, because you're not good. Right. Listen to me. Right. You spread her name all over social media, upon Twitter account and everything. And you do book about her and everything. As far as I can see it, yes, you might feel a way, but you cause it, right? Uno wasn't up her backside until Uno find out, say, she a Saka and there with Harry. And no, Uno want pushing herself, you and the waist half brother. The whole alcoholic drunkard. You know how much you know and for your family. Right. She's in a different status now. You know, see she leave on her backside, go to California and do all the thing, and performing her soap operas and everything. She was doing quite well without nobody rush. She got one to invite on to turn up. No. None of that. It was no good. Can you get a word in? And say what? Listen, you pick the right man if you call me. You not call me head not too right. This man me tired. Right. Listen, I just think you're bitter, twisted, and envious, right? Because she made all her dreams come true, right? You decide what you did want to do for your life. You did give up your acting career. She never tell you to stop, and you stop. So now that she meet her Prince Charming, and she dead in the palace. And right now, me now call Queen Elizabeth my bona fide friend for something like that, somebody like Theo. And your ways, brother. Not even your papa I got walk her down. But guess what? Prince Charles I got walk her down. How beautiful. Listen, right now we have to protect the little princess. She no do not. She remind me of Princess Diana. God rest her soul. Yes. So you know what? Just get on with it and stop being jealous, right? Else it's going to be hell to pay. May I tell you? Because me live in Florida, you know, me live in Florida, and me will turn up. Me not care how much gun your man have. Right, right. Me not care how much gun for him have. Whatever, right? Cause me a bad girl and me will bring Pinky up in there. Right, right. Cause we don't know what time clock I strike yet. It's too late. We are beg and cry for. Listen, some of come off me for the doctor. Listen, but don't want get fire rake up on you, you know. And the next minute me in trouble with the good lad and them call a code rainbow or red. Right. Well, you're just going to have to watch the wedding, right? From the TV, like the millions or billions of us that's going to be giving her the blessings. Give it through your damn TV screen. I want it. And look on you. Eh? Look on you. Camera soul. Meghan, bye. Beverly, put me through to Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, try and connect me. Me know that she have 1 million things to do. But put me through. Me have to talk to her because this is a waste girl, Samantha. Look, if she get me hot, let me talk to her. Alright, I'll home. Oh, Jesus, I'm so tired. I'm connected. Alright. That was quick. Hi, Queen Elizabeth. How are you, My Majesty? Oh, I miss you. Yeah, listen. We have to talk to you about something. You have time? You know, so you're busy with the wedding and everything. You have time? Give me 2 minutes of your time. Listen, we have to do something about your daughter, your great daughter-in-law, sister, the waste one, Samantha, that like one day in Florida. Can you believe it, Queen Elizabeth, that she blocked my phone? Eh? Blocked my phone. Tell me if I talk to you. If you fly her out so she can attend her sister's wedding. I want this. Queen me. No laugh it not funny. Queen Elizabeth. Eh? What me look like now? Eh? Why people want to get me in and them mix up and them passa? She don't need to be there. She don't need to be there. She don't need to them let she and the old drunkard, the brother, the old criminal. She don't need them. It's not good for her image or the royal family image. You don't want them there. Right. Right. Well, are your son Prince Charles I can walk her down? As far as I'm concerned, you and your family has been supporting her. Them only up her backside now because she have turned princess. Yeah, yeah, what me I tell you, Rasta Queen You receive a couple of calls from her, really? You decline them? I don't blame you. Make she keep her backside quiet. I hear the Obamas are gonna be there. That's nice. Me know say Harry never he invite the way Trump. He in pride bag boss out. He no fit there. Appear, mess him gonna make if him come there. The man him probably says something stupid too, cause say him done something but him not even have a degree. Him not even have a degree in a common sense. The man how we as president make glad say you never invite him, Queen Elizabeth. That's why me and you are friends. Yeah, alright though. Alright. Did I get my invitation? Yeah, I got my invitation, but I'm so busy. I'm so busy with family and other things. I couldn't. I'll watch with the others through social media. Yeah. Just tell them God bless them and I wish them every success. Yes, my dear child. I'm so, you know, I love you. You know, it only take a person like you for bring blackness in a Buckingham Palace to rot it. Me love you, you know. I tell you, I live long. Yeah. Me want to fill up the Buckingham Palace with black babies. Let them run round, but people see the blackness in the palace. Oh, yeah. I'm coming to England. Yeah, I'm coming to England. Yeah, by next year. Yeah, I'm coming to England, man. If me I go stay by you, yeah, him don't me not really like your ways husband, you know, but me I lay off that because me I get old now. Yeah, as long as you know put my bedroom on the same landing as your man, because I don't want nobody come turn up in a big room. Why I want this? Listen, me want to be a part of the royal family too. You don't have a man for me. Me like white man, you know. Yeah, I had a white husband. Husband number three. Me love white man to hook up me Sam. Right, me a royalty. Oh, you mean? Anyway, I forgot. All right, darling, take care. God bless.